Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the bar exam. Begin by mapping out a realistic weekly schedule with subject blocks and timed practice. Break topics into manageable chunks and set clear daily goals with review slots. Use active recall and spaced repetition to lock in rules and issue spotting skills. Add full-length simulated exams under timed conditions to build stamina and refine exam strategy before test day. Adopt techniques that strengthen retrieval and application. Mix multiple-choice practice with essay writing for balanced skill building. Use spaced repetition for rules and lean on practice exams to identify patterns and timing issues. Review model answers and rubrics to understand examiner expectations and grading. Rotate subjects daily to prevent stagnation and prioritize weak areas while maintaining exposure to core subjects for consistent progress. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical bar tips. Quick recommendation. For long study sessions, grab an Owala water bottle that keeps drinks cold and fits most cup holders. It saved my study focus during long mornings. Check the description for the link and other deals, and treat yourself to small comforts while you grind. Now let's get back to the video. Approach exam day like a final practice session. Finalize logistics, pack essentials, and rest well the night before. Use last-minute review for memorized black-letter rules and simple outlines, but avoid cramming new material. On exam day, pace yourself, skip and return to tough questions, and maintain focus on clear communication in essays. Treat it as a performance where calm strategy beats frantic memorization every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.